Let's get aboard the gravy train to supersize and grow our business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom for today, our financial related idiom for the month of May, Money May, is gravy train. Now, this is an idiom or an expression that became popular in the 1920s in the railroad industry. Railroad men invented it to describe, and they would say they would ride the gravy train, and it was used to describe when they would be on a run that paid really, really well, but didn't require much work. So it was easy money in their experience. And over time, this became the description for a much exploited source of money, or money, easy money. Now, I like this cash cow gravy boat because it reminds me of the idiom, the expression cash cow, which to me, the gravy train and the cash cow are similar, but not exactly the same. A windfall, an easy money. I think of high ticket sales for a lot of coaches and things would be the cash cow, or the easier money for them to create when they do group coaching programs. In businesses, it's usually the flowing stream of income that is easiest and the core of our organization. And that's not bad. It just means that we're really, really good at something. I think it's when our intent and purpose, if we're looking at it as easy money and things like that, maybe our motives aren't as pure and true as when we're really out to serve and help people and make the world a better place. Now, you can make money, of course, all kinds of ways, but I vote for making the world a better place. So if we have an intent to actually do the right thing and to serve people, I think that we're going to have long-term better results than if we're just selling people things that don't really have the substance behind them. There's a lot of marketers that do that, especially online these days, where they're selling all this fluff and pomp and circumstance, but the real experience that people have doesn't match with what they're selling. Always do what you say you're going to do. Always under promise and over deliver if you want to supersize and grow your business. Only a very small percentage of businesses actually grow and supersize and become what they want to become. Only, 5% of businesses even exist after 5 years of their startup. So if you want to be one that not only exists but thrives, you have to be willing to do things differently than other people do things. You have to be willing to think differently than other people do. So if you're getting into your business to make money, that's fine. Find your gravy train, make money. But if you're getting your business to supersize and grow and make the world a better place, you want to bring with that an abundance mindset. And abundance mindset means that you're providing value. You're grateful for what you've got, but you know that you can create big things in the world. You serve people in the way they want to be served, and you do things that are for the benefit of the whole world, not just to make a quick buck. There's a lot of ways you can make a quick buck, many of them illegal and unethical and immoral, but you have to live with yourself at the end of the day. And although some of those businesses and organizations get huge, I think that there's a price that's paid for the shortcut of doing the right thing and doing the right thing for humanity. So love to know if you've heard the expression gravy train. I've got lots of gravy boats, but this one's a cow, so I thought cash cow reminds me of that. Much more appropriate than some of the other ones. I've got some flowery ones and goofy ones. And the funny thing is, don't even really like gravy that much. Very seldom even consume gravy. Definitely not good at making it. Always lumpy. So share your experience with this expression, this idiom, gravy train. Have you ever heard it? I guarantee I've used it. Not often, but I'm sure I've used it in my life, despite just talking about it in idioms and in this format. I don't know that anyone's ever told me, or that I've really ever felt like I was on a gravy train. I've always felt like I've worked for the things that I'm achieving and that I'm creating those. I'm not, just getting easy money. I'd love a little bit of easy money, I guess. All right, have an awesome day. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another financial related idiom for this month. Have a great day.